protesters gather in a chaos to plan shut down the Supreme Court. Down D.C, a protest organization, plans to barricade the pedestrian gates to the Supreme Court if blocking car entries does not deter justices. A Zoom meeting of activists to finalize preparations was held on June 10, with roughly 34 people in attendance. More than 60 individuals attended an earlier activist planning gathering. Response to the leaked draft judgment that showed the Supreme Court's 6 conservative justices wanted to overturn Roe v. Wade. Supreme Court decision Roe v. Wade said that abortion was a fundamental right and that politicians could only control it to a limited degree. The leaked Dobbs v. Jackson draft opinion of the Supreme Court, on the other hand, would give state and national lawmakers control over abortion policy. As a result, a number of people believed that the court itself was unconstitutional. Activists declared that they would blockade the building's car entrances in order to keep the court from issuing rulings. According to activists, the judges will be met with opposition if they try to cross the court's security barrier on foot. When the judgments are made public on June 13, it's possible that these acts may leave the judges on their own 2 feet. A guy accused of plotting to assassinate Supreme Court Justice Brett Kavanaugh was apprehended last week not far from his residence. He had an empty firearm in a case and a knife nearby. The guy sought psychological treatment from the police. Currently, the protest group intends to meet in a neighboring area at 7 a.m., and then march to the court's car doors to demonstrate. A blockade protest was split into 2 groups: those who were ready to risk arrest and those who wanted to support those who risked arrest. Concerned that the police may halt a single column of protesters, several activists questioned if it would be preferable to spread out in an attempt to reach their goals more effectively. However, the leadership of the demonstration was unable to provide answers to queries about the operation of the blockades, the number of individuals who would be present at each blockade, and other strategic factors. Instead, before heading to the court, the group deliberated for close to 2 hours on when and where to meet together in order to reach a consensus.